Okay, so we've got a drawing here that has been more or less it's filled with bugs where you've got these annotative objects that are just massive. You can see bottom, middle, 3/32 is our annotative scale. We select these. Oh, this is the XREF. We select these in their native drawing. So we open up their native drawing and we take a look at these XREF, these annotative objects, and we see that there's multiple annotative scales going on here. And I don't know exactly how it got this way, but I know that more or less this started when we took items that were on paper space in this drawing and we did a change space on them. We had essentially every single annotative object in this drawing, and then its respective XREFs got ruined. I haven't seen this bug since like 2018. And I knew that there was a trick to this one, and I eventually stumbled back across the fix. And this is the only way that I've gotten it to work. So the fix is simply if you just change from, and this one's already been fixed, let's do it on this one. If you simply just change it from annotative yes to annotative no, you can see the scale here. Just leave it as is and then change back to yes. That's going to fix it. What's not going to work though is coming in, you can see annotative scale here does not match. What's not going to fix it is coming in here and trying to delete any of these. It's actually just going to make the problem worse. So we see there it pretty much got rid of the arrow. You can see the overall scale down here matches. Just several funky things that are going on. So again, quick fix just is no to yes, and that's gonna trigger the fix. And it didn't on this one. Why would that be? Okay, right, and the reason why it didn't work on this one is because we first got rid of the 1-to-1 scale factor. So with it set to 1-to-1 here, and without deleting these, you'll be able to just set yes to no. Now, if you already have deleted these, let's then test that. So let's say that you did delete these other ones. You set yes to no, and it still looks wrong. I believe that you can still overcome this by turning on add scales to annotative objects when the annotative scale changes. I believe you can just turn that variable on, set it back to 1-to-1. That'll add that back in there, turn this scale back off, and now I should find that changing this from yes to no will fix it. And we're still having some issues. You can see here the scale is still wrong, but I do believe that is along the lines of thinking as to how you could get it back if you mess some things up there. So again, I do believe that this issue is caused when you're doing some change spaces with annotative objects, and it's also exacerbated where in that same drawing you then turn on the add scales to annotative on annotative scale change. I think that can exacerbate it if you have XREFs with annotative objects. So good luck finding this, because the search terms for this are going to be pretty difficult to come across.